So in today's video, I am going to be planning with you guys my college room and house for next year. It is so crazy because I literally go back to school in just 2 weeks, and this is like the most underprepared I have ever been. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys have known like the past 4 years I've literally been like planning for my college room or apartment, sorority house, like literally months in advance. And this is the first time in those past few years where I just have been so last minute. I've been just procrastinating a lot with just my college house, and I don't know what it is. Like, I think because like I've already graduated and this is like grad school, so I'm just like, it's whatever, I'll figure it out later. I don't know, but normally I'm like 2 months in advance buying things for my dorm and apartment, and this semester I have not gotten one thing. So normally during this time I would be like showing you guys a haul of everything that I got. Well, since I haven't bought like literally one thing yet, I figured we would plan together. I needed, like, this is the time where I need to start planning. So I got my computer here with me. I got my chai latte that I just made, and we are finally gonna get down to business and start planning for my college room and house next year. Like, one of my roommates is already moving in this weekend, and I'm moving in 2 weeks after that. We start towards the end of the month, but yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So if you guys are interested and want to plan with me, hopefully this will give you guys any ideas. If you guys are also like me and are super last minute and haven't even bought anything for your dorm or apartment or college house, keep watching this video. Hopefully it'll give you guys some more inspiration or ideas, and everything I mentioned will be linked down below, so hopefully you guys can try it out before me and let me know how it goes. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so I will say I do have a lot of Pinterest boards of ideas that I want, but like I said, I haven't gotten one thing. So I'm gonna look on Pinterest really quick to get a reminder of what I want. Like, I've looked around places but have not actually gotten anything. So on Pinterest, I've seen things and I'll just like add them. So I'll show you guys the photos really quick. I'll pop them up of some bedroom inspo that I want. So here's one photo that I'm interested in. Here's another photo and another photo. So my aesthetic for next year is really just kind of similar to what I've done the past few years, just pink, white, fresh. I want to add more creams this year, and I'm for sure getting rid of the yellow. I did pink and yellow because my roommate the past couple years is super into colorful, and I'm super into just clean pink and white only. So in order to like combine our styles, we did pink and yellow. So I'm not doing any yellow next year, just gonna be pink, white, and I want to do more creams. So that's kind of the inspo and vibe I'm going for, which is really exciting because I'm gonna have finally my own room for the first time in 3 years, because I had my own room in my apartment sophomore year of college, and that was really nice. So I'm gonna get that back, which is gonna be pretty exciting. But I'm gonna go ahead and go on to IKEA before I go into Amazon, because I have been seeing this drawer set, because I was like, where am I supposed to store my clothes? In my house there is a closet, so I'll be able to store stuff in there, but I need just like a main like thing of storage in order to store like all my clothes. So I'm gonna try and log in because I know I saved some stuff. And hopefully within the next couple weeks we can actually do a haul of what stuff I bought, because this is mainly just like my wish list. Doesn't mean I'm gonna buy all this, but this is, yeah, like I said, my wish list. So the first thing that I really want to get is this Colin, I think, IKEA 6-drawer dresser. So I'll put it up here. So this is what it looks like. I just love how it's just sleek and white, and I just need a basic dresser, and it's only $99. When I was like browsing through Amazon the other day, they were like over $200, and the cheap ones were like $170. Like, they were not cheap. And this one's a 55-inch. So hopefully when my roommate gets it earlier than me, I can ask if she can just measure so I can double check the wall size. But I don't need something huge. I just need a nice size dresser to put in my room, and I just like the cleanness of this. But yeah, that's the first thing that I want to get for my room. Okay, and also for my room, I bought like the people who lived in our house before, they were selling something, so I bought, I can't remember if I bought the mattress, but I bought for sure the what is it called? Oh my gosh, I literally am blank and I can't think of what it's called. Like what you put the mattress on. Why am I going blank? Oh, the bed frame. Okay, so I bought for sure bought the bed frame and a desk. And curtains, white curtains. So I can't remember if I bought the mattress or like the box board. I'm pretty sure I just bought the frame, the curtains, and a plain white desk. So that stuff I don't need. But I'm gonna go ahead and head onto Amazon and show you guys some more decor and other wish list items that I want. Okay, one thing that I for sure need, like I actually need to buy these ASAP, are these 50-piece pink velvet hangers. These are my favorite hangers. It's like one of my must-haves because these are literally the best hangers. They're the only hangers I use. They don't slip, your clothes won't fall off of them, and they save a lot of room because they're pretty thin. So, and then this color in general kind of fits the whole vibe. I don't have any of this color, this blush pink color. So definitely need hangers. So that's one thing I need. Okay, this is something I've seen on TikTok. I really want to get this pink, like it's technically a cigarette ashtray, but I want it for like decor to put like on hopefully that dresser that I get, and just put my rings and jewelry. I'm not a jewelry person at all, but I'm starting to become more of a jewelry person. Like I want to get more into necklaces and earrings and rings. I only have one ring, but hopefully I could put some of my earrings and other jewelry and accessories in here. So I want to get that. Okay, the next thing I feel like I'm definitely gonna need is a clothing rack. I have clothing racks here at home, but like I use them for at home because after I went to college, my mom kind of took over my room, which is fine, but because I had like no space like in my closet, it's like all my mom's stuff, like nothing can fit in there. So I bought like clothing racks to put my clothes here for when I'm here during the summer and winter. So I feel like since I only have one closet, I'm probably just gonna get those drawers. I might need another thing of storage, so I will probably get another clothing rack. So if I do need a clothing rack, this is the clothing rack that I want. Okay, this is another thing that I found on TikTok. Literally, I went on TikTok one day and someone had all these items and I just like added it to my wish list really quick. So this is an aesthetic vanity mirror. It's like the cloud mirror. So I really want this to put on my white desk. So my desk is like right in front of a window, and I just like love getting ready at my desk that are in front of a window. It's just like great lighting and good vibes. So I think this cloud mirror is so cute, and this is $15. I think I want to get that for some decor. I've like had my throw blanket here for so long, like the pink one. It's really nice. It's from Dormify. I've had it for the past 4 years, I think. Literally sophomore year. Okay, yeah, I've had it for the past 4 years, and I just have had it for a long time. I really like it. I think it looks cute as a throw blanket, but I think I want another one. So this one is a chunky knit throw blanket. It's so nice and thick and cozy. It just looks so cute, and I feel like it'll go more with the vibe and aesthetic that I'm going for my room next year, with the more creams to kind of tone down the pinks that I'm gonna have. So I would love to have this chunky knit blanket. It's $53 for a single, so the 40 by 40. I don't even know how big that is, but it's definitely on my wish list. I would love to replace this throw blanket with that one. Okay, and then I need bedding because the bedding that I have here, I keep it, and in the past few years I have been in a twin bed, and next year I'll actually be in a full, so I don't have any bedding for that. I had bedding like for my sophomore year apartment when it was a full bed, but it got accidentally burned in the dryer, so that is trash. So I definitely need a new sheet set and bedding and everything. So this is the one that I really like. It's the Bohemian Boho Chic Ivory Tassel 3-piece. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks really cute. I like bedding with lots of texture. See, the only thing with this one's ivory, and I can't decide if I want like a fresh white bedding or an ivory. I feel like ivory would be more nice and different, but I do like any of the bedding that have like texture. So that is the bedding, and that is $100, which is kind of pricey. Okay, so next in my room, I feel like I absolutely need to have some sort of nightstand to put some books or like my lamp, of course my phone at night. You have to have a nightstand, you know, if you're to charge your phone, whatever. So this is a 2-tier nightstand table that I found, but it looks like it's sold out, so I need to find something similar. Yeah, because I like it that it's 2-tier, but I need to see if I can find another one. I'll put up a similar one if I find one that you guys can, that I might end up getting. So another thing, I want some more decor on my shelves. The walls are painted white, which is a huge bonus for me. So I want to like hang up some decor on the shelves. So I found these floating shelves that are $32. I honestly don't think that like half the things that I'm hoping and on my wish list I'm gonna end up getting, just because it's so last minute and will be so expensive, but we can hope, you know. So yeah, here are the floating shelves that I think would be so cute to have in my room. There's other photos that you can put, but I just like imagine them like on one wall with different like decor and different things like that. So that's another thing I want. This, I don't know if I need it for my room or for the living room, but lighting is a huge essential. Like I always say, additional lighting is such a must, because most like traditional lighting that you get either in a house or apartment is just super basic, and a lot of the times it's yellow lighting, so it's just not good vibey lighting that looks good. So additional lighting is a huge must. So I might get this floor lamp lighting in my room if the lighting is not good, if we only have like one light or something. So that is up there, and that's $29. Okay, another huge must is a full-length mirror. I don't think I could go in my room and not have a full-length mirror. 100% needed to check my outfits, and I just want like one that's really nice and wide, because if you have a huge mirror that's like big in your room, it'll make the space feel a lot bigger than it actually is. So I definitely want like a nice big mirror that I can put like in the corner of my room, so the space feels a lot larger. So this is the one that I really am interested in, but it is $140, which kind of sucks. It's kind of pricey, but that is definitely one of my top list things that I want to get for sure. All right, so other little decor things I want to put for also my dresser. This pink or rose gold perfume tray. I have so many perfumes, not only because my mom used to work in fragrance, so she used to get me so many perfumes for Christmas or birthdays or whatever, and then also you guys have probably seen so many of my partnerships with Dossier. So one of my favorite, like literally I have so many great awesome perfumes, and I wear them every single day. So it's like, so I want to like have a nice display for all of my perfumes. So I want to get a perfume tray so I can put on my dresser, hopefully that way when I get. Another huge thing, I have my IKEA Alex drawers that I'm for sure taking to put like on the right side of my desk, so that will store all my makeup, and then hopefully maybe I could put my perfume tray on there. So I definitely want a perfume tray to put all of my perfumes on. Okay, and then I just think this is so cute. I probably don't even need it, but it's this like boho basket cotton rope tassel thing for storage. I think it would be really cute to like have in the corner of my room to either put towels or blankets in. I just think it's very, very cute, and will go with the vibe of my room. So I love that as well. Okay, that's pretty much the main decor. I haven't found a carpet yet. I'm a huge rug person, absolutely need a rug, but I might end up just taking my pink rug that I've had the past few years and get a carpet cleaned instead of buying a new rug for like $100, just because that's like super pricey. So that is probably what I'm gonna do about the rug. But on Etsy, I've been wanting some other wall decor for my room as well. Okay, so for my wall, I'm thinking of having a wall where I have like some posters of like my favorite artists. So like Taylor Swift, Billie Eilish, Olivia Rodrigo, Casey Musgraves. I don't know if I'm gonna do this because it is pricey, but in the like I used to really want to do this for a while. So for example, there is this Lover poster, and it's from Etsy, and it's so cute. I just love the album cover. And then here's like the Deja Vu song of Olivia Rodrigo from Sour up there. So that's what I originally used to want to do, but again, it's so last minute, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. Okay, so now we can move on. That's pretty much it for my room, and again, I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see what things I end up buying, and then I could hopefully do a haul before I go back to school. But we'll move on to the living room. But I did save some things that I think I want, which maybe some coffee table books. That might be a little extra, but I don't know. So for example, I'm gonna go back to IKEA real quick. Our couches we already have bought. We bought them from their previous owners. They are just like velvet blue couches, which we're really excited about. So because that, we're like, okay, let's go like super eclectic. Like my roommate has pretty much like put up with my style for the past few years. So one time we were like chatting about our living room and we're like, oh, since we should do like a colorful, super colorful theme. So we like found photos on Pinterest. I will put up these as well. It will probably not look as cool as this, but this was like some of like our inspo. It's like super crazy, super colorful, but we were like, that would be pretty cool. So we're talking about getting like colorful cushions and blankets and things like that. So here are just some simple cushions that I found from IKEA that are colorful. And then also just a plain white coffee table, because you definitely need a coffee table as well. So this is just one I found. It's like 30 bucks. It's just a plain white one. And then a colorful yellow throw blanket, also $20 from IKEA. Okay, so that's pretty much the living room. And then we are also planning on doing a bar cart. So if I get a bar cart, I really want to put on top of it. If you guys watch Vanderpump Rules, oh my gosh, let me just go back real quick. Okay, in my room, I also really want this clock. $17, kind of expensive, but it's just this mirror clock and I think it's so cute, and just the look of it is so adorable. So that's also on my room wish list. Our bar cart, I really want to put this fancy AF cocktail recipes from Tom and Ariana. If you watch Vanderpump Rules, I think it would look so cute on the bar cart, and if we can get some recipes from it as well. But that's pretty much like the main things. So hopefully soon I will start buying these things and we can do a haul and you guys see what things I ended up purchasing and going through with. And for my moving vlogs, you guys get to see everything come together and what my room ends up looking like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and planning with me and hopefully getting some inspo. If you guys are interested in anything that I mentioned, I'll have it all linked down below so you guys can go ahead and shop for yourselves. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.